Hey guys, Dustin Medlin here, Medlin Home and Land. I am out here at a property that we are selling in Spring Hill, Kansas, and we have the radon guy out here, Alpha Radon. Matt is out here installing a radon mitigation system for the new home buyers, and just wanted to kind of show you what that is, what's involved in that. So right now he's drilling a hole in the concrete in the garage. Him and I just discussed kind of where we should put this to avoid using a bunch of PVC and conduit for the electrical that powers the fan, and try to make it as clean and as convenient as possible for the new homeowners, but also make it look as good as we can and penetrate the siding the least amount as we can to keep the house integrity good. So let's check out and see what he's doing. So I'm here with Matt from Alpha Radon. Matt, hey, what is the number one thing that people should look for when they're hiring somebody to do radon mitigation?
You should check to make sure that your technician is certified. In Kansas, you should be certified by the state of Kansas, and in Missouri, you should be nationally certified. Also make sure they're insured, and when you're looking at prices, make sure you're comparing apples to apples, basically. There's different things that different technicians can do to put in different types of systems. So just be thorough with your investigation and make sure you're making the right decision.
Okay, thanks. And how could somebody get a hold of you, Matt, if they wanted to get a quote?
816-591-6056. I answer the phone every time.
And you got a website too?
AlphaRadonKC.com.
Perfect. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.